Kajing ikun kebijakan Saleng Sangma oleh job Tura Parliamentary Constituency da kajing yo jing kershan gi pat bat kajing lap ban train nak benta ke roy kepar kajing job Saleng Sangma kala wanra kajing kela mau jam jong san pertai hakne kathan Tura kertong kaseng Kongres Saleng Sangma oleh penkut no kajing sensha basau punyau teli kisnam belate dau pi Sangma da ka penrem ke khun jong ke agatha ke Sangma akaba ulayo lailak prapulai hajar kendai spa kat kendai vote kat ba ka agatha ke Sangma kalayo tang arlak apu prahajar ndru spa nyu pra vote kabala pelong ya Saleng Sangma ban job dapalat shilak sanpau hajar teli ki vote.
If the people is willing to change, definitely they do the change. There are lots of issues actually that needed to be see, and I will discuss with my people. Then only I will bring all those things, especially on the floor of the house. God has blessed us actually, not only me, the people. Blessed Garo Hills. So maybe God wants some changes in the Garo Hills. That's why God has, God is giving us, the responsibility to do something about it. So definitely along with our people, we will try to do some changes. Lots of issues are there. So we will discuss which issue we will take up first. We will discuss with our public because it's not only me, who has won. So it's the public who has won. So I'll definitely have to talk with our people first.